Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Elaine Hayhoe. It's cup number cup 1071105_72307 and it's called Merry Christmas Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit and it's to fit an 8x8 inch square card. And I've got to say, it has to be one of my favourites. I love everything about this kit and it's ideal for both beginners and advanced crafters. The colours are absolutely superb. Now this has been printed on the Crafty Bob cardstock as the print and post service. So it works so well and you can see the reflection that the cardstock gives and it just picks up the colours perfectly. So if you've never given the print and post service a go, try it. So I want to run through what you get in the kit and then we will make the card. So the first sheet is the main image for the card and you get a gift tag. The second sheet is the first layer of decoupage for the card front and another gift tag. The third sheet is the actual decoupage to build up and create the 3D image on the front of the card. And then the fourth sheet is actually the card insert and another gift tag. And I just want to point out the beautiful colouring. I mentioned it when we started, but the reds and the blues, and it's kind of, I don't want to say it's retro in case I'm wrong, but it has that feeling. It is just beautiful, it really is. Let's make the card. So the first thing that I have is an 8x8 inch square card and it's just a white blank card. I've already cut out the insert for the card and I've got it on flat double-sided tape. So what we're going to do is just add the insert into our card. So we peel away the back of the tape like so and then add this just to our card like that. There we go. Simple as. And that's why I think it's ideal for both new crafters and advanced. It's one of those kits that you really want to have and keep in your stash because it's good to go and it will work for everybody you know at Christmas. So that's our insert. So let's create the card front. Now I'm just going to use my trusty bone folder to make sure the crease is nice and sharp at the top of the card. So my first layer is the base image of the card. I've got it on simple double-sided flat tape. So I can peel the back of the tape away, so you use whatever glue you're comfortable in using. And I can position the card front onto the centre of my card and press it down like that, and then we can start to create the decoupage. Now the first layer is a large layer. I've still got 3D foam on the back of it and you simply position it over the design underneath to start building that design up. Press it down. My next layer again is a large layer with Santa and his presents and the chimney, and I've got 3D foam on the back. And I want to point out that some decoupage you really need a lot of patience for. Some decoupage you don't, and this is one of those that the overall look of the card when it's finished is beautiful and it's not as fiddly as you think. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like fiddly decoupage as well as non-fiddly decoupage, and this is just, it's quick and easy, it really is, but it will look as though you've spent so long over it. So this is our next layer, and we've got the 3D foam on the back, so we're just building the design up. The next layer is Santa with his presents and his sack. 3D foam on the back. Again, we're just building those layers up like so. Next, we've got Santa's face. 3D foam on the back. Match the bobble on his hat to the tip of his beard and press it down. Next, I've got his sack with the presents in on 3D foam. And lastly, I've got the little present with 3D foam just there. And that is our card finished. Matches perfectly for the inside, and you can see those gorgeous layers that you've built up, and it's just such a gorgeous, gorgeous design. These are our gift cards that you get, so if you're giving a stack of presents as well, you've got those to add and to coordinate with your card. Now, I'd just like to remind you of the details. So it's cup number cup 1071105 _ 72307, and it's by Elaine Hayhoe, and you can see any of Elaine's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and searching for Elaine's name. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time.